Our big coverage on the Delhi coaching center tragedy continues all day. 3 students died after they were trapped for over 4 hours when water gushed into the basement of a popular coaching center in Delhi on Saturday. What we've learned so far is that the coaching center's library was functioning in the basement, and when the rainwater entered the basement, there were at least 20 to 25 students studying inside it. While some managed to get out, other students were locked in as the entry-exit system in the basement functioned through the biometric system. The prelim information coming out at the moment is that as soon as the electricity went off, as the water entered the building, the biometric system couldn't function and the students were trapped inside. Well, they had no means to get out. 2 people now have been arrested, we are learning. The owner of the building, Abhishek Gupta, and the coordinator of the Delhi coaching center, Deshpal, have been taken into custody and a criminal case has been registered against them. NDTV has also accessed the North MCD certificate given to the building owner that said only parking, toilet or a storage facility could be allowed in the basement area, while a fully functioning library was operating in the basement. Now, there is also a blame game taking place between the AAP and the Delhi over the deaths of the 3 students. The BJP says there is widespread corruption in the MCD under the AAP government and an inquiry must be ordered. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Atishi has said those responsible for this tragedy won't be spared. Listen in to what the family members of those who died in this tragedy had to say.
हमको रात 12 बजे जानकारी मिली। हमारे चाचा का फ़ोन आया तो उन्होंने पूछा कि बात हुई थी या नहीं हुई थी, तो हमने बोला बात अभी नहीं हुई है। तो बोले पूछ के बताओ मम्मी से। मैंने पूछा, मम्मी बोली आज बात नहीं हुई है। तो उसके बाद उन्होंने उसके निवास स्थान पर गया। निवास स्थान के बाद कोचिंग के पास गए। कोचिंग के पास पता चला कि कुछ बच्चे जो है हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है, इमरजेंसी वार्ड में रखा गया है। इमरजेंसी वार्ड में पता चला, हाँ, तो वहाँ पे नाम से पता चला कि यहाँ पे है। तो वहाँ से थोड़ा कंफर्मेशन मिला। उसके बाद से उन्होंने वहाँ जानने की कोशिश की कहाँ पे है।
क्या बच्ची कितना पढ़ी थी?
बच्ची ग्रेजुएशन की थी, BSc इन एग्रीकल्चर में। उसके बाद उसको UPSC की कोचिंग में एडमिशन दिलाया गया था। उसी दौरान उसको मदर इंडिया डेयरी में जॉब भी मिल रही थी, लेकिन हमने मना किया कि अभी जॉब मत करिए, आप UPSC कोचिंग करिए, अभी तुम्हारे पास पढ़ने का समय है, 2-3 साल UPSC के लिए दीजिए, उसके बाद जॉब तो पूरी लाइफ करना ही है।
मांग कुछ कर रहे हैं आप प्रशासन शासन से?
प्रशासन शासन से ऐसे चलता रहेगा, ऐसे आप रहेंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? अपना बच्चा बाहर कैसे भेजेगा पढ़ने के लिए? जैसे उसमें कोई लाइब्रेरियन नहीं था, उसमें इमरजेंसी डोर नहीं था, और ये कोचिंग की जिम्मेदारी होती है। अभी तक कोचिंग वालों का कोई हमारे पास कॉल नहीं आया, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आया, तो ये कैसे चलता रहेगा? जबकि दिल्ली में है कि आप बेसमेंट में कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं करवा सकते हैं। ये प्रशासन कैसे बेसमेंट बनवा के उसमें कोचिंग भी चला रहे हैं? 3-3, 4-4 साल हो जा रहे हैं, प्रशासन को अभी कोई खबर ही नहीं है।
दिल्ली कब से हैं?
क्या चीज़?
बच्ची दिल्ली कब से हैं?
बच्ची दिल्ली अप्रैल से गई हुई है। उसको अप्रैल से कोचिंग में ज्वाइन की है, गई तो मार्च में थी।
छात्रा के घर आए हैं, उसके पूरा आवश्यक विवरण लेने के लिए और उनके परिवार को इस दुखद घड़ी में सांत्वना देने के लिए, और इनकी जो डिटेल है वो हम प्रशासन को भेजेंगे। जिलाधिकारी महोदय का निर्देश है कि हम लोग सर्वप्रथम पीड़िता के घर जाके उसको अपना सांत्वना और उसी के क्रम में आज उपस्थित हैं।
3 बच्चों जो प्रतियोगी परीक्षा में तैयारी कर रहे थे, दिल्ली में आकर दूर दूर से हिंदुस्तान के अलग अलग कोने से लोग आते हैं, बच्चे आते हैं, पढ़ने आते हैं, तैयारी करने आते हैं। आज 3 बच्चों की बेसमेंट में पानी घुसने से मौत हो गई। वहां आकर बच्चों की जान चली जाए, वो भी गैर जिम्मेदाराना तरीके से बिल्डिंग्स बनाई गई, उनको लाइसेंस दिया है या नहीं दिया, MCD का क्या इसमें रोल है, सरकार का क्या रोल है, ये सब सवाल हम सबके दिमाग में हैं। ये कोई नेचुरल डिजास्टर से मौत नहीं हुई है, ये मौतें मानव निर्मित त्रासदी हैं। दिस इज अ मैन मेड डिजास्टर। ये कौन है इसके पीछे, जिम्मेदारी तय होनी चाहिए, उनको सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
has tweeted on the matter saying that I've been keeping a close watch over the situation and followed the rescue operations by Delhi police and Delhi fire personnel personally. These incidents clearly point toward criminal neglect and failure of basic maintenance and administration by concerned agencies and departments. Well, the LG has also said that what has happened is unpardonable and such issues can no more be glossed over. He is also asked for the divisional commissioner to submit a report. He said, I've asked the divisional commissioner to submit the report, and the report must cover all aspects of the tragic incident by Tuesday. Well, he has asked the divisional commissioner to submit the report by Tuesday. Well, action is being taken. We do understand 2 people have been taken into custody by the police, that is the owner of the building and the coordinator. But those who gave the NOC for the building, those who allowed this library to run in the basement of that building, which was completely illegal, without following any norms, this library was running, and there were a number of students who would go to these libraries and study. It's not just one coaching center, but other coaching centers also in the nearby areas where these libraries are still running. So who is responsible for that? Who's going to take accountability for that? That is the question that we are asking. Well, my colleague Tanushka is also joining us on the broadcast, and my colleague Shreya will also be joining us in just a bit. Tanushka, you're outside the Delhi Mayor's house. Have you been able to establish any contact? Has the Mayor responded to any of your questions there?
No, Kitty, that's the thing here, that NDTV has been trying to reach out repeatedly to Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi, but she has not been responding to any of the attempts that are being made to get in contact with her. So therefore, I'm currently standing outside her residence. This is, of course, in lieu of the accident that happened last night, and a lot of major questions are raised, not just to the Delhi Mayor Shelly Oberoi, but also to the MCD, because considering that this incident and this coaching center had the NOC or had the permissions from the fire department to have just, the basement that was being used as the library, which is where these 3 students, these 3 children met their deaths because of, the negligence on the part of the authorities, is also, these questions are directly, at the Delhi Mayor right now, as well as the MCD, that how is it that when permissions was given for the basement to run only as storage spaces, washrooms or a parking space, how is it then that this coaching center, as well as many other coaching centers in Rajendra Nagar area, as well as in other areas in Mukherjee Nagar, where there are these major, UPSC coaching centers, how is it that they are running libraries out of their basements when the NOC or the permission has not been granted for doing so? Therefore, this library was being run illegally, and this was a clear violation of the NOC. Now, how is it that this violation went by under the eyes of the MCD and the Delhi Mayor? These are the questions that need to be raised right now and asked to the Delhi Mayor. However, there has been no response from her end whatsoever. She has given out a statement that there will be strict action that will be taken. There is a magisterial inquiry for which Delhi Minister Atishi has also sought a report within 24 hours. However, there is no other such word or action from MCD or from Delhi Minister as of now. What we know in the case, the movement that has been, is that the police has arrested the owner Abhishek Gupta of the coaching center, as well as the coordinator of the coaching center. But the people who, the authorities who grant such NOCs, or who are to keep in check whether, they're being followed through or there are violations or not, these are the authorities that need to, be looked at right now, and they need to be accountable, they need to be answerable as to how is it that such a major and such a popular coaching center in Rajendra Nagar area went, surpassed these violations and still had libraries functioning, where water inundated to such an extent that 3 lives have now been lost.
Tanushka, also what is important to understand here, even as this blame game that is taking place between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP here, asking for, the people of course are asking for justice, and this blame game of course goes on between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party at this point in time over this issue. What is also important to understand here is that even as the BJP says that the Delhi MCD, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, is completely corrupt under the AAP rule, the BJP the MCD has been under the control of the BJP for a very long time. It's recent considerable number of seats and have their control on the MCD now. But it's not just the Aam Aadmi Party that needs to be questioned, of course. The BJP also, which has been in the know-how of the affairs of the MCD for so many years that it has controlled MCD, is answerable. I mean, this is just a way of fooling people otherwise.
Precisely, yes, Kitty. At this point, the blame game, the political blame game erupts at every such mishap, whether it was, during heat waves or whether it was during the water crisis. Just a couple of days ago, another UPSC aspirant died due to electrocution, and a blame game erupts in such cases. What is important to note in such cases is that these are not just random numbers, figures of people who are dying. These are lives that are being lost. These are people who have families and dear ones who care about them, and the BJP on one hand blames on to the Aam Aadmi Party, and the Aam Aadmi Party shuttles the similar proposition to the BJP. So it's a constant shuttling of blame. Who is to actually take the blame for this? Is it the authorities? Is it the political parties? Who does MCD really come under right now? These are all these questions that are quite chaotic at this point, because what has happened has happened. The damage has been done. The lives have been lost, and no compensation can, of course, compensate for the loss of lives at this point.
Well, yes, there is no arguing about the fact that, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party controls the MCD at this point in time, and they could have done better. They could have done more so that these kind of tragedies could have been averted or could have been avoided, of course. But nothing has been done so far, and time and again we see such tragedies unfolding. And now these 3 innocent lives were lost in this incident that took place in West Delhi's Rajendra Nagar, and nobody is actually coming forward to take the responsibility. But yes, heads must roll, and this passing of the buck must stop. Well, we will, of course, keep asking questions until we get the answers for that. My colleague Tanushka also continues to stay steady outside the Delhi Mayor's house, and we will keep asking those questions to the Delhi Mayor also.